we should organise some flowers.
You can't take flowers to a surgical ward. A card will be fine.
Can you write it, then? I need to get going, got some prep to do for this careers day.
Because you've not already got enough on your plate, have you?
I volunteered. Impressed Jessie. I need to rope in some local professionals to talk about their work to the kids. Do you reckon Paddy might do it?
No harm in asking.
I need exciting people like vets and doctors, lawyers, inspire the kids.
You're going out, you Jack?
Think so, yeah.
I need to talk to him about something else as well, actually. Nothing bad, don't worry. He's still a bit behind on his work, so I thought I could offer some tuition, get you back on track. What do you think?
Yeah, if I have to.
You don't have to. I just thought if you and I spend some time together on it, then you'll make some progress, that's all.
Are you sure you're not taking too much on?
Don't be daft. I wouldn't offer if I didn't think I could fit him in.